Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm really excited about this kind of setup because I'm going to show you how I am starting my own side hustle and how I'm creating a chatbot content generator. So this chatbot content generator is basically attached with several AI tools, including OpenAI, and I'm also going to include ChatGPT inside of this. The way it works is that users will be able to generate all kinds of content. So if they need content for the blog post, if they need images, they can go towards the chatbot and directly request the content that they need. In return, they will get a free account with 10 starting credits. And if they need more, they can purchase it inside the chatbot directly to generate more content that way. This is a really easy way and a really engaging and conversational way into being able to provide content for users 24/7, not relying on any kind of marketing agency to provide those contents for them. But people can use these kinds of content to get a real starting point and save hours of their work trying to generate this on their own to start with. So how is the setup for this chatbot? So again, I'm not completely done. I still need to build a few flows for this. But as you can see, currently I have 6 flows. Inside, the user will first go towards the main flow. Inside this flow, we are basically going to create an account for the user first. So I'm having a condition block to check if the user has an account created, yes or no. If no, then they will go towards the process of creating the user, then checking the email. And for the email, it's important that you also verify the user's email by using several free email verifier tools, right? If we're going to take a look, then you will see the one that I am using right now, which will be the api.apilayer.com, which has a free 100 credits per month, right? So you can basically use that, and I will also put a link down in the video description, and use that to verify emails. The reason why this is so important is because it protects your sender domain reputation. So if a user gives a fake email and you're trying to send an email towards that specific email, it can affect and even ban your sender domain reputation. So always try to make sure that the email that the user gives is a valid one. If not, then try to request a new email, right? So I'm not going too deeply inside of this email checker, but it is an important process that we need to implement in order to protect your own sender domain reputation. So if we take a look at the flow itself, the main flow, you will see that once the account has been created and the email has been verified, then the user will get this tag. So content generation account created, and also receives their free 10 credits. Then they will be able to, and this is the main flow that I need to build out still, but then they will be able to either generate text or images. So if we go towards the images, because text I am actually going to revise because of the fact that ChatGPT just released its API 2 days ago. So I'm wanting to make sure to incorporate this inside the chatbot content generator. But if we go towards the image generation, then you will see the following. So first we are going to check if the user has enough credits to generate even one image. If not, then we're going to give them a reply that they can buy credits and start generating again. So if they do have enough credits, we are going to give some guidelines. So for example, in order for me to generate a better image for you, keep in mind the following. So there are some limitations on the image generation tool I'm using at the moment. Maybe I will switch it out in the future when more image generator platforms are going to release their API. But for now, I'm using DALL-E. That specific model has some issues with faces, hands, and feet. Is really good with landscapes, and it needs as much detail as possible. So as soon as they say, okay, let's do it, the first question they will get asked is how many variations of this specific image that they will like. Then we are going to check with the JavaScript if they have enough credits to begin with to generate that many images. If no, then we are going with this step. So there's another JavaScript function, and then we're going to calculate how many total images that they can generate with the credits they have currently. And then they will get asked if they want to basically generate those images. If they do have enough credits, then they will go basically towards this step. And then they will be asked to describe the image that they want to generate. Then we are going to give a confirmation also on the amount of images that they would like to generate. We're going with an OpenAI, as you can see here, an OpenAI generation, right? Then we have another JavaScript in place, and we are going to show them the image that are generated with giving them also a button to basically download the image themselves. Soon as they want to save the image, they can just right-click the image on the new browser tab and they will be able to download that image. And lastly, they will get a message if they want to do something else, right? So generate more images or generate text. So let's preview this single flow to let you experience on how this looks like, right? So let's preview this inside of a web pop-up. Just as easy inside of UChat. You can test it without needing to leave the flow builder itself. So that's really, really convenient. So let's take a look. So let's create. You will also see on top how many credits I'm still having, right? So the credit is remaining. Then let's say, let's create. I have 50 credits and each image takes 2 credits. So meaning that I can generate a total of 25 images. And if I say I want to generate 30 images, right? Basically the system will check that I do not have enough credits, and then I will get shown how many total images I can generate. For now, let's just go with 5. And now I can describe the image that I want to create. So let's come up with a detailed description and let's see what can be generated. So let's go with this description: a Japanese village with blossom trees overlooking a mountain in the background. So let's see if we can get some nice looking images. So here we go. Give me a few seconds to generate the 5 images for you. So it displays back how many variations I want. And this should only take seconds. And then you will see really nice looking generated AI images. So if we say download the image, then we will get a save image button and it will open up a new tab. And then there you have it, a Japanese village overlooking a mountain. And we have 5 different variations that we can use. As you can see, we can download all of these if we want to. And for example, if we just go with this one, you will see how nicely of an image these are generated with. So you can see that the description itself really allows you to generate really good kinds of AI images that you can use inside of your blog post, inside of your social media post. If you want to use it on your website for a landing page, you can do so as well. So this is the main flow that I wanted to show you today, and also a little bit of the progression of this chatbot content generator. In the coming days, I will show you more flows, how they work, and also how the credit system is looking. And once it's released and fully tested, I will leave a link inside the video description to allow you to create your own free account, receive 10 free credits so you can experiment yourself. So if you'd like to see more of these videos and see how the progression of this chatbot is done, then do drop a like and also press the subscribe button with the bell notification to the right of it to ensure that you will receive the next video. For now, have a great day, take care and talk soon.